Hello guys, Edwin here. Today we are going to be talking about KGeN. Okay, KGeN, also known as Creators Gaming Network, is a Web3 powered gamer reputation platform leveraging zero knowledge machine learning to create verifiable data rich player profiles. Okay, so how much have they raised? They have raised $30 million, and look at their lead investors: Aptos, Gamer, Polygon, Accel, Process, Nexus, etc. Okay, and guys, they've raised 30 million and they have confirmed an airdrop. Okay, so our key points will be converted to the KGeN tokens when they go on mainnet. Okay, and they have some time sensitive quests we have to complete. Okay, you can't skip this. Okay, so let's go ahead and complete. And I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this airdrop, even though they have raised 30 million. Okay, similar to Humanity Protocol. And look at their valuation. Valuation is 150 million. Okay, so the company is valued at 150 million. Okay, and the tasks are very simple. Okay, you need, I think, you can use 17 minutes to complete them. Okay, so I'll be leaving all the links in the description below. These quests are time sensitive. You can see this one ends in 5 days, this ends in 29 days, this one ends in 8 days. Okay, this one ends in 25 days, 19 days, 19 days. Okay, so our main focus is going to be on this social check-in. Okay, we have to complete this. This is the task we have to complete first. Okay, so when you get here, click on login. Log in with your email. You can log in with your WhatsApp, your Twitter, or your Discord also. Okay, so let's sign in with our Gmail. Okay, so after logging in with your Gmail, click on this first social quest. Okay, when you click on it, scroll down, you are going to be asked for a clan or friend referral code. Okay, I'll be leaving my referral code in the description below. Okay, make sure you use when you use it to help me out or support me. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so when you get here, look at the tab. Just connect your wallet, connect your Gmail accounts on KGeN, connect your Discord, have the verify bro. This means you join their Discord. Okay, when you join their Discord, click on the verify button in the Discord, and yeah, you come back here, verify the task on this page, and you claim your points. Okay, so make sure you complete all these quests. Look at the social quests, and they are very easy. Okay, it won't take you more than 20 minutes to complete this task. Okay, connect your EVM wallets. You can connect your OKX, your MetaMask. Okay, any of your favorite wallets. Okay, we connect it, we verify and claim our points. Okay, so the site is a little bit buggy sometimes, but just keep trying. Okay, sometimes when you input a referral code, they even tell you the referral code doesn't exist, but keep trying. You connect your wallet, complete all these quests, and some of the quests will require you to play some games. Okay, those are the kind of tedious quests. Okay, let me say it like that. You see, I just got 250k points for connecting my wallet. Okay, so click continue. We connect our Gmail. Just that. Okay, after doing that, make sure you head back, complete all these quests. Okay, I made a post about Castle on my Telegram. Okay, and my Telegram members are currently farming this airdrops also. They raised 8 million, and make sure you complete them. Complete all these quests. Okay, after that, head to KQuest. Okay, KQuest on the main websites. Okay, this is KJob. This is KQuest. Come here, complete the ones you can complete. Okay, complete the ones you can complete. Okay, so you scroll down, complete all these tasks. Okay, there are a lot, but try to complete as many as you can. Okay, but the most important ones are these. Okay, just try to complete as much as you can. Okay, come to Castle. Okay, we join. If you join, I'll be leaving my Castle link in the description below also. So join here. After you join, just come back. You are going to be signing up your Castle account with a Gmail. Okay, so you come back here, input that Gmail you use. and click on validate. Okay, you'll be asked to input that Gmail you used to sign up your Castle account. Okay, and guys, remember they raised 30 million. So this is an airdrop that will cook, and not a lot of people are talking about it. Okay, so I think it's something we should position for. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Join my Telegram for more updates. Okay, that's very important. When you start doing an airdrop, in case you can't keep up, just join the person you saw the airdrop from or where you watched the tutorial from. Okay, that's very important. I'll be posting updates on the airdrop all the time. Thank you for watching. Peace.